In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate reports in Microsoft Project. First, make sure your project file is open and up to date. Reports pull their information directly from your tasks, assignments, dates, and costs. So the more accurate your schedule, the clearer and more useful your reports will be. With your project open, head to the top menu bar and click the Report tab. This is the home for all of Microsoft Project's reporting tools. Think of it as your command center for turning raw project data into clear visuals and summaries that are easy to share and understand. The fastest way to get started is by choosing one of the built-in reports. Microsoft Project includes a set of ready-made templates that automatically compile charts, tables, and summaries from your current file, so you don't have to build anything from scratch. Under the Dashboards group, you'll find Project Overview, Cost Overview, Work Overview, and Earned Value. Project Overview gives you a high-level snapshot, perfect for status updates, including key milestones, task progress, and any late or upcoming work. Cost Overview focuses on planned versus actual spending, helping you quickly spot variances that may need attention. Work Overview centers on effort and assignments, making it easy to see how much work is completed, remaining, or slipping. Earned Value brings in performance indicators such as schedule and cost efficiency, ideal for more advanced tracking and executive updates. If you want to focus on people and workloads, check the Resources group. Resource Overview highlights allocation and availability, helping you see who is overallocated or underused at a glance. Resource Cost Overview shows cost information by resource, which is great for tracking labor spending across teams or roles. For financial clarity over time, the Cost group includes Cash Flow and Budget Report. Cash Flow lays out costs across a timeline so you can see where spending will occur in upcoming periods. Budget Report brings together budget, baseline, and actuals, helping you verify whether you're on track or need adjustments. When you click any of these templates, Microsoft Project instantly generates the report from your current plan. You'll see charts, tables, and summaries that you can review right away. If something looks off, it's usually a sign that a task date, assignment, or cost in your project needs attention. Use these built-in reports to accelerate updates to stakeholders, guide team discussions, and support decision-making. With your project open, the Report tab selected, and a built-in template chosen, you're ready to generate clear, professional reports in just a few clicks.